Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios a price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on a daily time frame, and let's take a look at this structure this structure over here. It is possible that we have some kind of expanded flat here as well, but I don't like it as much as just the better looking structure over here, which currently at least looking more like a three-way structure. For the ABC here, if it was an expanded flat, we would need 5 waves in here. I have one count for that, but again, it is so ugly that I don't even want to go through it again. So this one is pretty much the favorite at the moment, in which we have this as a WXY or three-way structure into X, and then again WX and Y into this wave Y, looking for some kind of parity here. One-to-one extension is around the $870 on arithmetic scale. We have gone beyond the 1-to-1 here on logarithmic scale, but again, I feel like for the sake of right look, we could be using this arithmetic scale for here. I am again expecting lower at the moment, again, as we are looking at this WXY here. One-to-one extension would be around $141, which is definitely way lower than my expected value of expectations overall. But again, that is exactly where we have our basically point of control. Am I expecting us to get that low? No, definitely not. But it is possible. It is possible. Now, the other higher time frame scenario in this Ethereum is this one, in which we would have 5 waves in A, 3 waves in B, and 5 waves in C, ending our countdown here. That is definitely one possibility as well, as we did hit this one-to-one extension here. So yeah, that is definitely possible. However, how likely is it? Not too likely for me at least. Just because of this first leg here. Same issue that we have in Bitcoin. If we want to be having 5 waves in the first structure from there, this definitely looks so messy with a 5-way structure in here. I just can't really get a good looking structure. Of course, I can force a count in here, but it doesn't have the right look. Okay, that is the higher time frames. Let's take a look at the lower time frames and start to get an idea what we have here. On 1 hour, again, this was the A wave here in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have been in this very sideways structure ever since the lows around the 19th or 18th of June. I got a few different ideas of course here, 2 main ones, but again, there's still this possibility of this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but again, that doesn't have the right look either, so I'm sticking with this and saying that wave A is complete here. Now let's start with the bearish count. That would say that indeed we have already completed this WXY here, and let me explain why I don't like it. Now, first of all, we have not gotten to the 38.2 here. On a logarithmic scale, of course we did, as logarithmic scale gets us to the targets faster. But on arithmetic scale, as we are looking this overall in arithmetic scale, I would like us to get to this area. We did not hit that area here, and let's go through the structures and probably the reasons why we did not get the higher time frame here. If we are looking this as a three-way structure, this as a three-way structure, then we are looking this next as well as a 3-wave. We did hit only the 0.618 here, which is basically the minimum we would like to see on a 3-way move. The one-to-one extension here, which is our expectations here, would be all the way at $1,400, which would get way further than the minimum we would want for this structure to go to. So this is definitely something that why I'm not liking this count too much is just because that we had the minimum here. Overall, if we are still thinking that we had this three-way structure completed, as it is possible, we could have this next structure here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then again A, B, and C. But again, all over, we have already gone past the golden pocket, making this less likely of a count. We have also gone now beyond the 786, which is making this even more unlikely. Now, with this one, we have to be saying that we have this as an A, B, and C instead of any five-way count, as this structure is a wave 2. I can't see us having this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 3 ways back, and then having very small wave C here as for a zigzag overall. So I can't see that. That's why I'm thinking that we have to have this as an ABC if we want to have this count alive at all. The invalidation, of course, is right here around the 1275, at which again we would get the wave 2 to wave 1 area. For those reasons, this is not my main count. I am still looking for higher prices here on this structure. Again, in this one we would have 3 waves in W, then A, B, and C down here. C wave, again, same structure as we had with the bearish count, and we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed down here, and then we would get higher. The reason why I don't want to place this as an A, B, and C is just because we did not get to the flat area requirements, which is around the 90% retracement area. However, this definitely looks very impulsive structure-ish. We do have the high here around these, and we are now getting multiple divergences constantly here. So it is possible that we are going to be reverting down soon for this possible B wave. Now, where are we looking at? Well, we have structural support at the 0.5 of these highs. So that is one area of interest, and the golden pocket, of course, with these previous lows here that we had. On volume, 0.382 is definitely an area of interest. Let's take a look at this structure here. Only the golden, or this area here. Point of control beyond the 0.618 here, or below. That is where we had that support for this possible wave 2 here. It was very shallow if this is indeed a wave 2. That is why it is possible that this whole structure is indeed that A, B, and C as well. It would support that idea more to me, just because the retracement was so shallow. Yeah, we did not even get to the 0.5 here. So yeah, that makes it less likely. We do have these areas of interest here on volume. 0.5 does not really have any volume, extra volume here. So to me, I feel like the golden pocket area is the one where we are going to get most. Let's actually pull this guy a bit further. Let's take a look at the previous lows to current price. Point of control is starting to be the same. We had support here, this on the value area low. Anything else interesting? Same point of control, higher time frame. Value area high is right there where we are at, so we could be reverting down now. And now the whole range here is basically probably the same looking at this one. Yeah, and below us, even with this higher time frame, we have the range value area low as a support now. So there's definitely some interesting areas. We can see it even here that there is this kind of pattern, and this is just mimicking the volume here. So there is a gap basically here. Not too much in here, although it is somewhat visible there as well. But yeah, that is my expectation on Ethereum at the moment. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.